Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to get started with Murf AI. So, let us begin. Start by opening your preferred browser and navigating to murf.ai. Once you are on the site, spot the sign up option positioned in the upper right corner. Upon clicking sign up, you are presented with various sign up methods. You can effortlessly sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or Slack account, or you can opt for the traditional email sign up. Now, just follow the prompts to sign up with your chosen method. For this example, I am using my Google account. And there you have it. After signing up, you are all set to unleash the creative power of Murf AI for your projects. With just a few clicks, you are ready to embark on a journey of artistic innovation with Murf AI. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.